Hi guys, how to disable hyperlink in HTML and CSS? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, now the link is working fine. To disable it, give it a class name like class equal to double quotation. Disable link is totally up to you. Then go to the style section, write A for anchor dot the class name, disable link, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space, then write pointer dash events clone none. This will disable all kind of events for this link. Then exclamation important semicolon. With this we are saying that give this higher priority. Lastly, cursor clone default semicolon. Save, reload. Now if we try it again, see, it's totally disabled. So guys, that's how easily we can disable hyperlinks in HTML and CSS. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.